I'm Dr. Sudhir Reddy from Nova Hospital, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Okay, I'm arthritis surgeon or joint replacement surgeon. This week we have launched for the first time in Telangana and Hyderabad, we have launched a personalized total knee replacement system called Zimmer Persona. We know that total knee replacement is a very, very successful surgery, and millions of these are being done worldwide for the last 20 to 30 years. And the results of them, if you take survival as outcome, if you see how long these are lasting, the results of them are excellent. We see that, even after 20 years, more than 90% of them are doing very well. But if you take patient satisfaction as outcome, if you ask how many patients are happy, many of them will tell you that they are still having a lot of pain, they're still not able to do all their activity, they still feel it is an artificial knee. So in fact, 1/3 of patients are somewhat dissatisfied with regards to their total knee replacement, although their X-ray looks well and they're walking well and they're able to do most of the activities. So to address this system, the next generation of development of total knee replacement has started. So the first and most famous and so far the best outcomes of this is from a personalized total knee replacement system. And this is from the family which so far is the most successful total knee replacement worldwide, which is called Zimmer NextGen, and this is the next version of it. It is called personalized total knee replacement system. In this, in older versions, what used to happen is they had very few options. As you may know, every knee, although it may look same, every knee is different, like every one of us is different. The shapes of the knees, the dimensions, the angles, all these things are different. So when we on the older system, we have only few options available. When we try to fit these knee replacements into these, obviously, it doesn't recreate the natural knee. So they used to get these problems of pain and limitation of movement and discomfort. So in this system, which is called a personalized knee replacement system, where we actually what they have done is they have taken the scans of the entire populations, samples of the populations, and they try to recreate implants which will match every shape and size with multiple and many options. Because of that, whatever the shape and size of the knee, we are able to give an artificial knee which is almost the closest match to it. So because it is almost recreating the original size, shape and dimensions of the knee, it feels much more natural. The options are much more natural. So because of that, patient satisfaction becomes much higher, the pain is less, discomfort is much less, the bending is more, the function is much more, and they feel about their knee is more better and more natural. So this will increase the patient satisfaction rates of these total knee replacements. The cost varies. A normal knee replacement costs anywhere between 1.5 to 2 lakhs, whereas when you go for this kind of a higher version, next generation total knee replacement, they will cost anywhere between 2.5 to 3 lakhs.